today I would like to share a little bit about my experience learning English, learning foreign language in this era. I think because due to pandemic COVID-19 these days, I read article on the internet that English language learners has increased significantly because people rarely feel bored at home, so they need to get new skill to learn. Some of them interested in learning a language, so they can concentrate on learning English or other languages. During this pandemic era, many people have learned a lot of skills at home if they have the facility, but if you don't have the facility, but you can learn any other skill that is not related to language, or you can learn any other skill that is related to computer or other skill, carpentry skill or farming skill, whatever skill. But talking about learning language, what I read from article online, many people have learned a lot of languages during their solitary confinement at home. Like I think English is one of the most learned language worldwide, and then this is only my personal opinion, that I think second most learned language during this pandemic era or this era, I think it's Spanish or German. Spanish or German in terms of their global use, because the German language is not so difficult to pronounce, and Spanish is also not as hard as English. Because English has a lot of popularity or fame, many people prefer to learn English because a lot of people who speak English whenever you go overseas. The majority of the population can speak English, but in some areas, of course, you need to speak gesture language or sign language. So it is really important for young generation to learn foreign language these days, because they want to interact globally with foreigners, people from around the world. They need to learn at least other foreign language. But I recommend them to learn for Indonesian. I recommend them to learn English or Arabic, because Arabic and English has a lot of influence for citizens or Indonesian people. And after they have mastered English or Arabic, they can continue on learning other foreign languages, or maybe they want to make research on their local language. Like in Aceh, there are several languages, around 7 or 8 languages. So the local people can make a research on their local language, so that this linguistic feature of Aceh can survive over time, can stand the test of time, so that the next generation can learn about the literature that has been written by their predecessor or their ancestor. And then the main thing is, if you are interested in learning foreign languages, you can come to Coffee in Banda Aceh, 1700 in the afternoon, or you can contact in the description of the video, and then you can WhatsApp the number, so that hopefully you can speak English here or learn English and make friends. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Run question.
Okay, I have a question. Why we should learn Arabic?
Why? Because Arabic for Indonesian is so influential. At the time, maybe 1,000 years ago, around 1,000 years ago, or maybe 900 years ago, many Arabian traders, merchants came here to Indonesian archipelago, or Sumatra or Malaya archipelago. They they came here, they went here for trading, and they could assimilate very well with the local people, so that local people can accept Islam peacefully without sword or war. And a lot of Indonesian language has their derivations or derivatives from Arabic language. I think hundreds or maybe thousands of Indonesian words are from Arabic language. Then we need to have to read more and make research so that people realize that Arabic language has a lot of Indonesian language.
To preserve Indonesian language also.
Yeah, we remove words and vocabulary from Arabic language in our Indonesian dictionary or word list. We will become poor. We will become deprived of vocabulary. In the end, we could not speak as casually or as professionally as possible because we have removed those vocabulary.
Thank you.
Right, next question. Right, Mr. Fahmi Hanif, I got a question for you. Nowadays, what foreign language we must learn? Is that English, Spanish, Arabic, or Italy or Russia? The most important nowadays.
Most important thing, yeah. I think the most important thing for beginners or newbies, if they are interested in learning foreign language, they can start with whatever language they are interested in. But it doesn't matter if you learn Korean, Turkish, Japanese, Chinese, Italian, German, French, Spanish, Arabic. But you know what? If you look up on the internet, English is the most prolific source of information.
Quality, right?
Yeah, copies of information are in English. But it doesn't matter if you
Popularity, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You need to whatever language you learn. It's up to you, but you have to know from A to Z, from top to toe. Then you need to be able to speak very well, or not so fluently, but at least you can communicate for survival.
Understand each other, does speaking, right?
That's the main thing of communication.
Yeah. Pretty clear. Thank you, Mr. Fahmi. Got a question?
No question.
No, got a question? No, all right.